Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. Today I have a cool little gadget here that we're going to install on the Jeep, and it is going to stop us from having to push the stop start button in our Jeep every time we get in. So let's dive in and get this going. Alright, so in our package we've got the auto start stop eliminator is what they call it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. And they also comes with this cool little nifty tool. Let's see how well this works. On the driver's side, we're going to look under the dash next to the OBD2 and then straight up. Let me get the light turned on. We're not looking at these ones, but instead those ones way up there, which I've used before previously in a video. And so we're going to disconnect that. I'll try to show you guys which one as I do it, but it is kind of a pain, and having this orange tool should help. There we go. We're gonna do the one on the right, which is the passenger side, and trying to fit in here. Oh, crooked. Proves to be very difficult. So as you can see, there's that little pin right back there that we got to push in and then pull that tab, pull it out. I want to move the phone down. Okay, I want to show you guys how I did this because I know that will be a big question. So getting the orange little pry tool behind it, and then once you get that pushed in, you definitely need two hands. If you just tug on this wire just enough, it will loosen that, and then you can use your hand to get the actual wire, just like that. Bam. And you want the big plug, that's the guy we want. So we'll take our little eliminator here, and we're going to plug that into this side. Make sure it clicks. Then we'll put this other side right up into there with the tab facing the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, just to show you guys under here, I will tell you that it was easier to unplug this side of it and then bend this upward and then get that put in and clipped in than having this part plugged in. So I recommend doing it this way. It is still a wrestle to get that top part in. Once you get it in, then you can click your bottom, and there is enough room up there that you can tuck that up nice and neat so it's hidden. Now let's make sure this puppy works. We got the keys right here on this awesome Arctic Vet family key tag. You guys want one, head over to arcticvet.com and you can get yourself one. Now this thing is, once we get it running, it should be so that when we, boom, there it is, it's already off, just turning the car. It should remember the setting. So let's turn it off, turn it back on. It is off automatically, so no more, we don't have to push that button anymore. That's going to be a game changer, because I'll tell you what, that's super annoying when you go to a stoplight or a stop sign and it goes, turns off, and then as soon as you let off the brake it starts again. Oh, I don't know why they came up with these things. I know it was to save gas and make things more efficient, but they are annoying. and I am not a fan of them. So anyhow, that's how you guys do that. It does take a little bit to get it plugged in, just because of the difficulty of trying to like get your hands up there. You may need somebody with smaller hands. You may need to, I've heard people take that front cover off. I didn't need to, as you've seen. It was real easy. Unclip one plug, plug the other one in, plug that back in, and it's good to go. Anyways, if this video helped you guys out, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Have a great night. God bless y'all. Happy 4th of July! Go, go, go! Before we end this vlog, I want to announce the winner of guessing how many spots are on the Corvette, and they are winning a custom t-shirt that may be available soon. So make sure you're checking out the arcticvette.com website to get yourself one of these awesome shirts that we're going to be coming out with. Now, for the number of spots that we counted on the car, there's 154 altogether. That's what we counted. And yes, we double checked. We double checked. If you guys didn't enter, that's alright. If you did, thank you so much. We appreciate it. I really enjoyed this, and maybe we'll do another one soon. Maybe something with the spots again. So come and see us at the car show. I don't know when the next one will be, but come check it out and take a really close look at it, because you never know. We might do another little giveaway like this in the future. So the winner, there's actually two people, a mom and a son. They both put in guesses, and they were both exactly 5 away. So congratulations, Wendy and Joey, for winning a t-shirt. We'll get those out to you really soon. Thank you again for entering, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for sticking around. Have a great day. God bless y'all.